Hey everyone, and welcome to part 3 of my studio tour here at Dark Highway Recording. In part 1, we talked about this device, the recording solution. This is the ADAT HD24 by Alesis, a digital recorder that records on hard drives and can record 24 inputs simultaneously. In part 2, we talked about the patch bay, the patch panel here. This is a studio that's spread out over multiple rooms, multiple closets, and pretty much every one of these inputs goes to a microphone that is set up in one of the rooms in its live configuration. So you can select any microphone you want and you can route it into any one of 24 inputs, or all of them actually, for 24 track simultaneous recording. Today in part 3, we're going to be talking about the general layout of the studio. Okay, so what I've just described actually, microphones into a patch bay, into a mic preamp, into a recorder, that is the entire recording solution. And from here, it's recorded on hard drives in the form of high-quality WAV files. And this device is network enabled. It's connected to a network, and so you can drag and drop the files from this device over to your digital audio workstation. This is the Pro Tools mixing and mastering setup. It uses Steinberg Wavelab to do the mastering, and that's how you can record, mix, master your project. And that is the entire recording solution. However, you might be wondering, what the hell is this monstrosity here for? This is a Behringer 24-track analog mixer. Actually, it's 48 tracks, but who's counting? This is a Behringer, and in my experience, Behringers have been of inferior reliability and inferior quality. However, that's okay, because this performs the job adequately because it's only being used as a monitor mix. So basically, this studio is set up to record a rock band or a folk band, and you have in-ear monitoring. So what this does is, as you're recording stuff, or if you're playing it back later, but mainly if you're recording something, you can mix it on this, get the levels kind of where you want them. It also uses some outboard gear like compressors, and it routes it to a headphone amp. And this headphone amp is used to run the cans or the headphones for the people that are in the various rooms, whether they're in the live room or they're in a vocal booth, so they can hear what's going on. And that's basically the general configuration of this studio. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you for watching. You guys are awesome, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.